viewers, welcome to my channel. In this tutorial we will see about some basic introduction about the body tag that very much used in the HTML5. So body tag is defined as everything inside this element is shown inside the main browser window. Body tag is the opening tag and ending body tag is closing tag, and this is the basic syntax of the body tag. We copy this syntax and run on his compiler, paste his text, and then control save. And the friend, you see, I write a body tag, and in body tag I write a h1 tag, and in h1 tag I write a some text that were shown on the our web page. After write some code of my Sublime compiler, we reload our web page, and you see this is the h1 tag, text of the h1 tag. Now I change some text, and when we reload our page, and the text is text also change in my web page. So this is the basic introduction of body tag that very used in HTML5. So if you like my video, so subscribe my channel for the latest